Young King attack again in a J Prince. I'm represent for one of the roughest and the toughest and the baddest thing. Them will review tune and video. Jamaica Worst Gamer. Review this for them, no man.
Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica Worst Gamer here with another reaction. Move. Today, we're here again. Yes, man, with Massacre. Yeah, man, the Crux himself. With Top of the World. Yes, official visualizer. The one that offer him EP. Yeah, which is her name is Love. Alright? Jumping on and see what go on. Let's get it. Alright. Mama skin clean like a money.
You got me feeling on top of the world. Don't you got last for words? Hey, don't you know you take me high? Clear my mind from this earth. You got me feeling on top of the world.
Mama skin clean. I see why you have the Crux feeling on top of the world. I see it, Mama. I see it.
You got me feeling on top
Rupee, big up.
of the world. Don't you got last for words? Hey, don't you know you take me high? Clear my mind from this earth. You got me feeling on top of the world. Don't you got last for words?
Am I right in thinking that this EP is just for the ladies then? There's no other song on it apart from something for the ladies then, right?
Hey, don't you know you take me high? Clear my mind from this earth.
Alright.
I wanna spend forever beside you. Pretty treasure, what a pleasure. Nothing cannot measure your value as something major.
Yo, the melanin in a Mama skin is mesmerizing. I like it. Yes. Natural. Big up yourself, Mama. Big up yourself, Mama. Mama, big up yourself, man. Big up yourself.
Not measure your value as something major. Baby girl, I ain't no better. Anywhere in the world, me make a way. Come make we get away. On island,
Bumbuckler, look for them the dog. Look on the house with them there. One modern style house up in the hills, dog. One work you want. Beautiful house.
But know you miss me, met the right call. Road rocking, but we fighter. With my heart, baby, your love is vital. Girl, I miss you when the night fall. But know you miss me, met the right call. Road rocking, but we fighter. With my heart, baby, your love is vital. You got me feeling on top
of the world.
Don't you got last for words? Hey, don't you know you take me high? Clear my mind from this earth.
Yo, he might take it so easy. He not kill up himself. He just sing for the lady and she just do her thing in a slow motion. Yo, the whole video just match back with everything we must say in the lyrics then. Big up yourself, my G. Big up yourself.
Take me high, clear my mind from this earth. You got me feeling on top of the world. Don't you got last for words? Hey, don't you know you take me high, clear my mind from this earth. Hey, don't you know you been too wise, put you first. Hey, don't you know you diamond.
G look like him high.
You deserve.
Just want a biggest spliff.
Hey, don't you know me? Write your name through these verse. Hey, don't you know you? And you are my universe.
You got me feeling on. Alright, I know what the same drop it. Oh, Mama beautiful. Oh, natural. The melanin. I love this. Mm-hmm. I don't you know it.
You got me feeling like a king. I am a queen until just stop my breathing. got me speeding. Got me rushing for your love, your vibe is not misleading.
Blood clot.
Want to spend my life with you. If not, then what's the meaning? No stop, no ceiling. No matter what the season.
No stop, no ceiling.
Believe in love and girl, it changed my life. Yes I do tonight. Top of the world, don't you got last for words? Hey, don't you know you take me high?
No, I never big up on yourself. Sick. On top of the world. Yo, mama, cock up to you now. Look what move up on the bed. Mama, cock up to you now. Slim thick, this, you know? Slim thick. Slim thick. Bumbleclad. Her name is Love, so I'm guessing it's all girl song on it. All, not girl, female song. Something for the ladies then. Big up on yourself. Top of the world. Yes, man. Official visualizer. Yes, by Massacre. Yes. From Her Name is Love. EP. What do you think about that one I do? When I get a nice chill reaction, not hype up, not a nice chill reaction because it's a chill vibe. It's giving me a chill vibe. You know? Yeah, bad. Big up on yourself. Let me know what you guys think about this one though, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Alright? Peace.
Right now, I want $1 million US. I'm Solomon Vice of the Real Artist Progress. I represent for Jamaica's worst gamer. I don't know, say I'm the best reaction videos on YouTube. The maddest and the baddest. You see it? Jamaica's worst gamer. Real Artist represent.